In this video, we'll teach you everything you need to know about masking in Premiere. We'll demonstrate with a practical example, blurring a license plate. But these tools can be applied to any project. There are two ways to create a mask, with the manual method and with the Object Mask tool. First, we'll show you with the blur already applied. For the manual method, long-click on the Mask tool in the toolbar to see your options. Select the Ellipse tool, or the Pen tool for a more precise rectangle, and draw a mask over the license plate. New masks may appear in the Effect Controls panel under Unassigned Masks. To use them with an effect, drag them to the Effect section. Right-click and choose Change to Opacity Mask, or copy and paste them. Next, let's reset the project to show the Automatic Masking tool. For the Object Mask tool, select it from the toolbar, then hover over the clip in the Program Monitor. Premiere's AI will detect objects in the clip and create a mask automatically. In our clip, Premiere detects the whole car, but we only need the license plate. If the detection is imperfect, draw a rough rectangle or lasso to guide the tool. Again, our mask appears in the Unassigned Masks section of the Effect Controls panel. Because the object mask is already created, Premiere will assume the next effect applied will use this mask and automatically assign it. You can undo this automatic assignment by dragging the mask back to Unassigned Masks. Mask tracking offers multiple options: track forward, backward, both directions, or frame by frame. Masks can track not only position but also scale, rotation, and perspective, which helps maintain accuracy when objects change angle or distance. When animating a mask, it's important to understand frame mode versus clip mode, which you will see on masks created manually. Frame mode adjusts keyframes only for the current frame, which is perfect for precise manual tracking. For example, if a mask is moved 10 pixels to the left, only that frame is affected. Clip mode applies adjustments to the entire clip, shifting all keyframes together. In this mode, moving a keyframe by 10 pixels moves all keyframes the same amount. Another useful feature is the Direct Manipulation toggle, which lets you adjust your mask directly in the Program Monitor. If it's set to transform or crop, you won't be able to select your mask. With Direct Manipulation on, you can nudge your mask to the correct position. Hold Shift for larger nudges and hold Alt, or Option on Mac, while double-clicking to make other adjustments. You can also change mask overlay colors if the default blends into your footage. All of the techniques we covered can be used on any project. Whether you're blurring, highlighting, color grading, or creating a composite, these tools work the same way. We hope this helps.